Alright, gang. Got a couple of projects in for today. If you remember last time we were working on these tongs, all I have to do now is basically pin them together. What I'll do is round these off a little bit, get some of them sharp edges off. I'm not going to go way long like some of them I see, but try to get these handles rounded down and then get them pinned, and that's going to be it. I have, I think, 4 sets on there. I'm going to build a fire, get those drawn out a little bit, draw the reins out, and then maybe if I have some spare time, I started working on a little rebar garden snake hook. I don't know what it's going to be. Maybe a back scratcher. Who knows? Anyway, that's what we got today. Let's get a fire going. Alright, while we're waiting on that to get going and cook down a little bit, just a quick up to date, I guess. Been a little slow over on the Damn It channel. Hadn't made a whole lot of videos over there. I know somebody's been asking about those. Hey man, what's going on? Well, we've been working a lot. My day job's got me tied up about 50 hours a week. 55. I worked, I don't know, 60 last week or some shit. Anyway, that gets a little old, draws you out. Hadn't had a whole lot of time to get in before, but hope to make that up to you. Like I said, we're gonna get these reins rounded down, possibly do some drilling, get them pinned, and then we're gonna have to tweak the jaws shut. Hang with me. All right, it's about 50 degrees, I don't know, but the humidity's up. My anvils are wet. They got water all over the top of them. Anyway, maybe it'll warm up in here and bake that sweat out of them. I hope don't get that damn hot. I'll start making the sweat out of my ass too, you know. I don't know. I need some tongs. Hold my tongs. Had a young fella, his dad was in the blacksmith, a good friend of mine. He passed away. His son, friend of my son, brought me these tongs by. Said use them in good health. We're gonna see what we can do. Try it. I've drawn that one out about a ½ inch. These are supposed to be for little parts. I think that's what I'm gonna leave them. I got some larger ones over here for larger items. I think that's gonna be good enough. What we got? Start on pair handle number 2. I'll move you guys in a minute. They're going to be ugly. That's the only thing I can tell you.
Need some adjustments.
Just about ready. There's a trick they do with these box jaws. I don't know if you can see that with the light. Light's up, but they'll flatten down this lip area out here, draw it out a little bit, and then bend it over. Bend it over. Make, like I said, a box jaw. quick. That motherfucker's hot. Alright, so anyway, I done put the fire out, and I'll let you look at these three sets of tongs I got going. Ain't nothing special. What I have so far is I drew the reins out a little bit, and they are very ugly. Probably gonna hit those with a sander or something. And this one wanted to twist a little on me, but I mean, it's got some character, adds to the grip. So my next deal is try to find the correct size drill bit. What I'm gonna do is take these and lay them over each other, put one center punch, and drill through both pieces, here, here, and here, and then put the pins in and heat them up and brad the heads some. So that's where I'm at. I'm gonna probably wind up the tong project for today. All I really wanted to do, my next step, was to get these handles drawn out some, and I got that done. So I'll title this one Tong Making Kit Part 3 or whatever it is, and drag it out a little further, gang. Yeah, so like I said, we got the handles drawn out. They're a little edgy. I'm probably gonna polish them up with a sander, and these smaller ones worked out better. Just gonna punch and drill a hole right in the center, and then I got to do a little tweaking on this head. Once I get them pinned together, I can heat them up and bend them a little bit, and make them seat down on the piece of material that I want to use them for, respective sizes. So that's one. Then we got these smaller guys here, same way. They're a little offset. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then probably tweak the handles where they'll grab down. These big boys, they're a little wide. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Work the ends. They're a little closer, but not as good as I'd like to have them. And then square them up because they splay. And then sand those down a little bit, make them a little bit better. That's it for this time. I got other things, other commitments to do today, and appreciate you watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment. This is Mo Damn It. Talk Recon Works out.